Lawrence Obiwovi. I am a PhD student based in the US. Um, I wrote the blog, A Letter to Africa, the AI age is here and Africa is nowhere to be found. So this was as a result of research. AI is a big deal. The major countries are moving on it very fast, but from research, I see that Africa is nowhere to be found. So that is what informed this blog. So, based on the premises of this blog, is that my argument here is that Africa has missed most of the ages. Africa is where it is. Sub-Saharan Africa is where it is because it has not queued into the ages that have come. And I mean different phase of ages that have come before it now. So in here I talk about the agricultural age where I feel Africa has missed out even with all the arable land, the rich soil and all of that we can still not feed ourselves. So I felt Africa is missed, sub-Saharan Africa is missing out on missed out on the agricultural age. So it can recover, of course. And the mining age, I feel we have. I don't think we will own the mines, was illegally on and all of that. So we here, I feel Africa is missed out also on the mining era. And then we have the industrial era, the automobiles and all of that. Africa also missed out on this era. You can talk about whatever pre-existing condition that made it happen, but the argument is Africa has missed out in all of this. And then the technological area, maybe some of the industries, some of the people were able to key into this one, like the dot-com age. You can see the fintech, the banks and all of that. Those are I think the ones flourishing right now. They were able to key into some of this now, but not fully. Sub-Saharan African government, in terms of government, was not able to key into this. But now we have the AI era. Big deal, like big deal. So my argument is Africa cannot afford to miss out on this era. We're not talking about, we know sub-Saharan Africa doesn't have the capacity, electricity and all of that to fully, I mean, build AI systems or models and all of that, or data centers and all of that. But what I'm saying is that the African, sub-Saharan African youth, especially my Nigerian brothers, we are very creative people. We're intelligent people. Yeah, you can see that from the technology, from education, from the music industry and all of the film industry. You can see all of that. My argument is that we can fuck AI. I mean, fuck AI in the sense that we can understand AI. We can build on the systems that are already built in the West. We can use AI. We can apply AI. We can build apps. We can improve on already existing systems with AI. So that is the reason why I'm starting the series, a tutorial series, like more course series, free of course, on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel, so that I want to put it all out there, my knowledge and all of that about AI. I'm going big on AI. I'm going big on it, and I'm trusting that anybody who found these videos useful and key into it will benefit at all. Um, AI is just wonderful, and it holds a lot of potential for the future. And I don't want us to miss out at all. So that is why I'm taking my time to make this video. I've created a lot of slides to take us through the course. And I'm starting from the theoretical aspect of AI, the histories, and all of that. And from there, we're going to move on to the practical aspect, and then we're going to talk about areas in Africa, sub-Saharan Africa, where we can apply AI. So this is gonna be beautiful. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. Let's keep this moving, and let's fuck AI. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to